So today we are testing the realistic TRC1001 on a field test. This is the one we did last week, and unfortunately Mr C did drop it, but all the floors in this property are concrete. It's built on sand, so it's thick concrete, reinforced concrete raft, and it doesn't matter whether the ceramic tiles or carpeted, things break when they hit the floor. And anyway, I've sorted it out. It didn't physically get damaged, it just caused a component to come away, so I managed to track that down, and so he will now be doing the field test. We'll start off at the 1.5 mile point, with it being a 3.5 watt handheld, not a 4 watt handheld, 3.5 watt handheld. So hopefully it'll work quite well. But I found before, when we did these tests, we did the best possible range tests in open countryside. These are difficult terrain tests today, which we're doing at the moment, and we found the Bannerton Long Ranger 40 worked better than the realistic 1001, but of course the 1001's a better set with its external mic facility and all that.
Roger that, I'm in position now.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21 receiving loud and clear, and that's the top of the hill 1.5 miles from here.
Yeah, roger that, that's on the handheld only without the external mic over.
Right, do you want to just switch to the external mic and let's hear the difference?
We can do that down at Scratchy Corner. I think it's more relevant down there.
Roger on that, that's fine.
Roger that, see you next stop.
10-4.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, in position at Scratchy Corner.
Roger, got your mobile at Scratchy Corner. Roger.
Tango 21, you receive?
Yes, Tango 21 receiving loud and clear.
Roger, right, I'm in position.
10-4. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Yeah, you can fancy that.
Yes, well if you're on the handheld now, that's excellent.
Well, just move out into the open towards the end, and are you receiving me now?
Absolutely great.
Roger, that's on the internal aerial, so try the external aerial now.
You mean Mike, don't you? Not aerial.
Yeah, you know what I mean. It's been a long day.
Yeah, it makes no difference actually at this range.
Right, that's with the external microphone, how's that?
Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah, it's much clearer on that, over.
Yeah, fair enough. Right, I'll move on to the next spot.
10-4. That wasn't bad, was it, for Scratchy Corner? In fact, it was better than his mobile.
And 21 from Chippie.
You're back, mobile.
Yeah, I think we'll do the next test with just the internal microphone, not the aerial, and we'll just try the external microphone at raw speed at the end, see what difference it makes out there.
Yeah, that's fine. People can hear the difference. That's fine. Yep, no problem at all. I think your squelch was a bit high, because I did respond when you got to Scratchy Corner in your mobile.
Yes, it was too high. I had to roll it back off.
10-4.
Yeah, Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger, got your mobile at Wilsford Level Crossing. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving? Over.
Yep, Tango 21 is receiving you loud and clear.
Okay, roger on that. Move on to Kelby then.
Yep, roger that.
Wow, that's as good as his mobile. When I said we tested a realistic 1001 before, I'm going back up to 1983, and then we tested a Banatone long range of 40, and I said that we had better overall range on the range of 40. It was the early version of the realistic 1001. There's two variants. It says in the manual which serial numbers it goes up to, but you can tell when you go inside because there is a power preset for the transmitter on the later version, but not on the earlier version. And we felt that the way the antenna was matched wasn't ideal on the early version, and this one we've been doing is the later version.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie in position Kelby.
Roger, got you in position at Kelby. Yes, Tango 21, I have had to alter the squelch, but I am receiving you. Over.
Right, I'm up about to the roadside now, so it's about the best position. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's loud and clear. Over.
Roger that, so I'm going off to Rossby.
Okay, on your way to Rossby it is. Thank you.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie in position Rossby level crossing.
Roger, got you there. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving? Over. Right, I've got you okay there. Would you like to change onto the external mic then, please? Over. Okay, 10-4. Yes, Tango 21 receiving loud and clear. It's just like you're in the mobile.
Roger, that sounds fine with them too, so I guess that concludes the test.
Yeah, it does indeed. If you'd like to come back, and we'll test that other set starting at the point at the top of the hill. Over.
Roger that.
Okay, thank you. Wow, that is the best yet, isn't it? Yeah, it's with that external mic as well. It's clearer than the Banatone long range of 40. So the late version of the realistic 1001 so far is beating everything else. That's really excellent. And of course you're getting a crystal filtered receiver, so when you bring it back home you can use it as a base station or as a mobile or whatever by plugging in the external aerial, external power, external mic, external speaker. So there you have it, the long-awaited realistic TRC1001 field test. And the next video will be Mr Chippie's body cam, so you can see this all again from his point of view. Roger on that, thanks Mr C. And thank you for watching.
Well, worked well.
Absolutely, that's the best.
Well done.
Okay.